I'm Dave, I'm a Principal Software Engineer at Summize.
I'm Tom, I'm the Senior Paralegal here at Summize.
Hi, I'm Jack, I'm the VP of Business Development at Summize.
So I won the Will to Win award, and that's all about the determination and coming together to get a goal achieved.
So the award I won was called the Respect for Others Award. Our culture is really important here at Summize, and I think being respectful for others and feeding into that is just really important, and helping people where you can.
So I won the One Team Award. The One Team Award is about basically being a Summizer, encompassing the one team goal in terms of working together, collaborating, and effectively just trying to own more responsibility around the company.
It feels great to be recognised. We do in Dev put a lot of hard work in. It's great to get that recognition.
Honestly, it felt really amazing, especially after such a fresh start to the company. It felt really nice to be valued and appreciated for something that I think is so important.
Brilliant. Yeah, I think Tom mentioned yesterday about how important that One Team Award is. Typifies what Summize kind of lives and breathes every day. So yeah, it means a lot to be recognised for it.